So we're paving a visit to one of the AF branches here sa SM Fairview. Malapit na tayo doon and let's try if we can go inside. So eto na siya. Let's try to pay a visit to this branch. Guess where am I? Kakaiba, diba? Kakaiba, diba, ang ating nakikita? We are at other gym here at Quezon City. So, makikita ninyo may mirror. But this is one of the AF branches dito, which is also 24/7, which is SM Fairview. So, medyo nakaltay kayo ng teaser, no? Maybe one day we can gym here dito sa Anytime Fitness SM City Fairview. Patikim pa lang yung pinakita ko sa inyo, guys. So, abangan ninyo. So, again, abangan ninyo. Maybe one time we will be working out here sa Anytime Fitness Fairview. So this is James saying you're part of the conversation, and again, let's be consistent at all times.